Alright. Ready, son?
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
We're gonna eat my dad's harvest Scotch bonnet. So last time we ate the cayenne pepper, purple gusto, and the hot carrot, and you might not hear us cry. You might not see us cry when we ate the hot carrot, but we did actually cry.
A tiny bit, just a few tears. But this one we probably will cry as well. But we've got some rice cake as well. Apparently I've looked online, apparently rice is the best way to cool it down. On yogurt is pretty good, so the closest we had was rice cake. So just in case, go first or you want to do it at the same time?
First.
I do it first. Alright, so here it is, nice and ripe this time.
Oh. Hot.
Well, it's getting there.
Make sure it's not hotter than
Lovely texture though, but oh, starting to kick in a bit.
Does it hurt? Is it more hot than a hot carrot?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know.
Did you look online?
It's getting a lot hotter now.
Did you look online and it said that it's much more hot than the ghost pepper?
No. Ghost pepper are stronger. That's about up to 350,000 Scoville.
What's this?
And the hot carrot is up to 150,000, so that's 200,000 more. Well, I think I've got tears coming up here. It's really hot.
My phone!
Might as well try that at the same time. Does help when he gets in there.
I'm crying a bit.
I'm not surprised.
I can't open this.
There you go. Big spoon. And rub it in there.
Oh my god.
Oh man. Definitely hot. A lot hotter than the hot carrot. We are not big hot pepper fan in this family, but definitely make me think twice about testing some of the other one I've got coming up. As you can see, got a few tears. Not all of mine, but hot. I think even my son might have been calmed down on on trying hot peppers. With him, he was always such a fan, so excited about trying it on. What is your verdict, son? Is that one hot or what?
It's more hot than a hot carrot.
Yeah?
Look, the crisps are much less hotter.
Yeah. But texture is definitely better than the hot carrot. The hot carrot was quite thick in texture. This one is nice until the heat kicks in, and then definitely wake you up. Anyway, I think we'll go and finish to recover. What do you reckon?
I think we should finish the video, but wait. I just wanted to say one thing.
Come on then.
So one day we might try more chili peppers.
Yeah? You still want to try some?
No, not anymore.
No.
Try some until let's try some tomorrow.
Right, should we call it the day, son?
Yeah,
All right.
my leg is shaking now.
See you later, everybody.
Bye.